Who's the best? Who's the best? That's the question today, ladies and gents. Who could be the best SMMA coach or course provider out there in this marketplace? As someone who has been on YouTube for several years now and has ran an agency for over half a decade, starting when I was 19 years old, and now with over 20 people and on pace to do about $1.8 to $2 million in revenue. Not saying this to brag, just trying to get some social proof in the beginning of this video to make you trust me more throughout the rest of this video. I would like to tell you that I know who the best is. And it's not going to be the answer that you expect. Let's get into the whiteboard, ladies and gents. So, yes, I know the names. I know the names that you're thinking of. The names, the people. You're like, oh, is he going to say, is he going to say that person? I'm not going to say anything just yet. I want to tell you three things. Okay, number one, when it comes to selecting the best person, mentor, who could help you start an agency, okay, get in your journey of SMMA. The first thing that you need to do is very simple, okay? Scour the internet. And pretty much what I mean by this is find out who provides the most value to you, okay? Now this is actually pretty straightforward and pretty simple. You should just search on YouTube, SMMA, how to start SMMA, how to start an agency, how to start an agency with no money. Like, you can Google a bunch of things and spend 30, 40 hours, 100 hours consuming content, okay? Once you've consumed a lot of content from various different content providers, I just happen to be one of them. There's dozens, if not thousands, if not millions. There's probably not a million people coaching, doing SMMA coaching, but there's probably 1,000. Then you want to select the person that you think is the most, get ready for this, valuable, ladies and gents. Who's the most valuable to you? Who's providing the most value? Who teaches in a way that you best understand? Who do you, get ready for this, resonate with the most, okay? So, step one is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. I'll simplify this and turn step one into research, and I'll turn step two into value, and I'll turn step three into resonate, okay? So really straightforward process. Research, then figure out who you think is most valuable, and then also think about who do you resonate with the most. There's a difference between value and resonation, or resonate, if that's resonation's even a word, because someone you may feel provides a lot of value, but you may not really resonate with how they teach or their style, or they may post a lot of stuff on lifestyle, and you just don't care about buying a Rolex and throwing a massive party with all these random people in whatever country it is. I don't know. Maybe you resonate with lifestyle stuff. Maybe you don't. Okay. So when it comes to picking the best SMMA coach or the best SMMA course, I mean, you just want to research into the coach or the creator of the course and answer these three simple things, ladies and gents. That's all. I'm not going to say any names. I would say names, but don't want to get into a battle in the industry about who is the best and who isn't the best. I've spent over $100,000 on courses. I know most of the top names in the space that I can think of, and other spaces in general, but maybe that's for another video. Okay, ladies and gents, hopefully this is helpful in helping you select the best SMMA coach or a course. Keep in mind, I don't sell a course on how to start an agency, but we are potentially going to launch one for free just because I'm like, I think this is a good lead magnet, and I've been talking about it in all my videos. And so in the description, you will find a link that will take you to a page where you can put in your first name and your email address and join the waitlist for what is called Agency Birth. This is different from Agency Enlightened. Agency Enlightened is a program that helps people scale an agency from, 6 figures to 7 figures. This is something that'll help you just get from 0 to 10,000 a month. In my opinion, it's pretty easy. It's not that hard if you select a good niche, if you have a good market and a good service that you're offering. And, myself, I was able at 19 years old with no money and no skills, living out of my parents' house, barely graduated high school, was able to scale from 0 to $10,000 a month with the agency that is now on pace to do about $2 million this year. And I did that in about 3 months from 0 to 10K per month. So at 19 years old with no skills, and I looked like I was 14. So you guys all have a chance. Don't worry. I am not just an anomaly. There's many people that have achieved this. All right, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was a little bit clickbaity and you were expecting me to start some drama and drop some names. That's just not how I really do things on this channel. But maybe, just maybe in the future, I'll talk shit about people for the fun of it. Okay? Much love, you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have any thoughts on this video, let me know in the comment section. Ciao. Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to watch another one that's extremely valuable, I just selected it for you, and you can check it out by clicking it right there on the other side of the screen across from my face. All right, friend, enjoy. Thanks for watching the channel.